अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। आज की इस इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो में हम एक इंग्लिश लेसन पढ़ने वाले हैं। लेसन का नाम है शाह अब्दुल लतीफ़। इस्लाम इज़ द रिलीजन ऑफ द स्पेस गॉड सेंट द प्रॉफिट एज अ ब्लेसिंग टू मैनकाइंड। ही वॉन पीपल्स हर्ट्स बाय हिज काइंड नेचर एंड gentleman ways. His noble example was followed by many of the followers in a age all over the world. It was through the efforts of these saintly men that Islam spread far and wide. These holy men were experimentally successful in the bringing non-Muslims to the fold of Islam. In every part of our country there are shrines of the such saints. In Lahore are the shrines of the Data Ganj Baksh and Man Mir Sahib. In Pakistan lived and dead Baba Farid. In Multan is the shrine of Ghaus Bahawal Haq. In Peshawar, in Quetta and in countless other towns and cities there are tombs of these men of God. In Sindh are the tombs of two great saints, Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai Kalandar Lal Shehbaz. The great saint Shah Abdul Latif, who is lovingly called Lal Latif by this devotees, was born in Hijra, a small village called Hala. Even the good Mughal expert Aurangzeb ruled the country. Shah Abdul Latif ancestors migrated to Sindh during the days of temperance. They had come from Hijra. Sindh was then a center of Muslim culture, and Shah Abdul Latif's anecdotes liked it so much that they decided to make it their home, but no would have remembered their name of land above them if many centuries later one of the legends, Sayyid Habib Shah, had not been blessed with a son who grew up to be Saint La Latif. Shah Abdul Latif had a very sensitive mind. His heart was soon filled with the love of God, the beauty of nature around his feeling strongly. While his was started composing poetry, he also gained occupation knowledge and grew up to be a scholar of Arabic and Persian. When he was 20, he migrated noble and God lady. He showed great kindness to his wife and lived at home for many years. His heart, however, turned more and moreover towards religion and devotion, and the felt result in living a normal domestic life. When his father died, Shah Abdul Latif home and went to live on a mound at some distance from his village. A mound of sand is called Bet in Sindh due to fact that he lived on this mound for this reach of this life. Shah Latif came to be known as the saint of Bet. To this day is famous all over the country as Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai or Shah Latif of the Mount. As days passed, life a love of God grew more and the more until he found players only devastation and spent most of the prepare and keep thinking. तो यार आज की ये वीडियो पसंद आएगी, सोते वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।